Public Speaking Crash Course, Structuring Your Speech. Introduction. Public speaking is an art that requires careful planning and organization to effectively communicate your message to an audience. One crucial aspect of delivering a successful speech is structuring it in a way that captures the attention of your listeners, keeps them engaged, and ensures your message is clearly understood. In this crash course, we will explore various techniques and methods to help you structure your speech effectively. Interesting stories and examples. Before diving into the techniques, let me share a couple of interesting stories and examples to illustrate the importance of structuring your speech. 1. Storytelling. Imagine attending a conference where a renowned speaker takes the stage. She begins her speech with a captivating story about a personal struggle, highlighting the challenges faced and the lessons learned. As she progresses, each section of her speech seamlessly flows into the next, building upon the previous story. The audience is hooked, eager to hear what comes next. By structuring her speech with a well-crafted narrative, she not only engages the audience but also ensures her message is memorable and impactful. 2. Logical flow. Now, let's consider a different scenario. You attend a seminar where the speaker jumps from one topic to another without any logical flow. It becomes challenging to follow their train of thought, and the audience starts to lose interest. In this case, a lack of proper structuring hinders the speaker's ability to effectively deliver their message and connect with the listeners. These examples highlight the significance of structuring your speech. A well-organized speech not only helps you deliver your message with clarity and impact but also ensures that your audience remains engaged throughout your presentation. Top 12 Structuring Your Speech Techniques/Methods. Now, let's explore the top 12 techniques and methods to structure your speech effectively. 1. Introduction. Begin your speech with a strong and attention-grabbing opening that sets the tone for your message. You can start with a captivating story, a surprising fact, a thought-provoking question, or a powerful quote. 2. Clearly state the purpose. Clearly state the purpose or main objective of your speech. This helps the audience understand what you aim to achieve and keeps them engaged throughout. 3. Know your audience. Tailor your speech to the needs, interests, and knowledge level of your audience. This will help you connect with them on a deeper level and make your speech more relatable. 4. Organize your ideas. Structure your speech into clear sections or main points. Each point should flow logically from one to another, making it easier for the audience to follow your message. Consider using signposting phrases or words to guide the audience through your speech. 5. Use a storytelling approach. Incorporate relevant stories, anecdotes, or examples throughout your speech. Storytelling adds a personal touch, captures attention, and helps illustrate your key points effectively. 6. Provide supporting evidence. Back up your main points with credible evidence, such as statistics, research findings, or expert opinions. This adds credibility to your speech and strengthens your arguments. 7. Use visual aids. Visual aids like slides, charts, or props can enhance your speech and make complex information more accessible. However, use them sparingly and ensure they complement your message rather than distract from it. 8. Maintain a consistent pace. Speak at a comfortable and steady pace. Avoid rushing through your speech or speaking too slowly, as it can hinder the audience's comprehension and engagement. 9. Engage with the audience. Involve your audience through interactive elements like questions, polls, or brief activities. This not only keeps them engaged but also helps you gauge their understanding and adjust your speech accordingly. 10. Utilize transitions. Smooth transitions between sections or main points are crucial for maintaining coherence in your speech. Thought. Use transition phrases or words to guide the audience from one idea to the next seamlessly. 11. Summarize key points. Periodically summarize the key points you have discussed so far. This helps reinforce your message and ensures that the audience retains the essential information. 12. End with impact. Craft a strong and memorable conclusion that restates your main message and leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Consider ending with a call to action or a thought-provoking question that encourages further reflection. Summarize. In this public speaking crash course, We have explored various techniques and methods to structure your speech effectively. By implementing these strategies, you can ensure that your message is delivered with clarity, impact, and engagement. From crafting a compelling introduction to maintaining a logical flow, engaging with storytelling, utilizing visual aids, and delivering a powerful conclusion, each step plays a vital role in connecting with your audience and leaving a lasting impression. Song. Verse 1. In the world of public speaking, we take the stage. Structuring our speech, page by page. With a captivating introduction, we start. Grabbing attention, igniting a spark. Chorus. Structure your speech, let your message soar. Engage your audience, leave them wanting more. Stories and examples, bring your words to life. With purpose and clarity, you'll shine so bright. Verse 2. Know your audience, their needs and desires. Tailor your speech, set their hearts on fire. Organize your ideas, in a logical flow. Transition with grace, let your words glow. Chorus. Structure your speech, let your message soar. Engage your audience, leave them wanting more. Stories and examples, bring your words to life. With purpose and clarity, you'll shine so bright. Bridge. Visual aid support, making things clear. But don't overwhelm, keep them near. Maintain a steady pace, a rhythm that's right. Connect with your listeners, throughout the night. Chorus. Structure your speech, let your message soar. Engage your audience, leave them wanting more. Stories and examples, bring your words to life. With purpose and clarity, you'll shine so bright. Outro. Summarize your key points, leave them in awe. A powerful conclusion, as you take your final draw. Public speaking structured, a skill to embrace. With practice and dedication, you'll excel at this pace. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.